Hello and welcome to another update video about FETCH.AI. Basically turned around here at this critical juncture, pretty much exactly at this 100% extension level. I highlighted in the last video that FET, like many other coins, had reached a critical juncture. They had arrived at key resistance and that a pullback from there was very likely. But at the time, we obviously had no indication it would start. But now it is quite obvious. So the 100% extension level is typically a key level. And the idea is obviously there still is an overall bullish scenario as long as we're holding the $1.28 level. Okay, so yep, we might get one more low. Maybe the low is in. If the low is in, it has to be a diagonal. Even in a diagonal, we can incorporate that into the structure, that low or that pullback. And now we've nearly arrived back in support again. Because, as I said to you, if we really have bottomed already in wave 4, so I can actually put that onto the chart, just needs to prove itself. That yellow count needs to prove itself. Oops, yeah, that's fine. So in order to keep that a likely scenario that the wave 4 pullback is already completed, FET needs to hold basically above the $1.85 level. So that would be ideal, because then we could say, all right, this is an unfolding diagonal pattern to the upside. And then we have a 1-2 setup. This here would be the A wave, currently a B wave pullback. Actually, the A wave might have topped there. B wave pullback as an expanded flat. And then if we see a reversal in this region, and support would be expected in the current price region. So basically, between $1.99 and $2.18, that's where micro support would be found for the yellow B wave pullback. I will take the resistance area from the chart now. Price clearly respected that one. But this is the micro support area. So as long as we're holding that micro support area, yeah, we could look at a C wave turnaround. And then this would complete most likely the third wave of a yellow diagonal pattern, a leading diagonal, or maybe even ending diagonal. No, it should be a leading diagonal. Price would ideally reach $4.70 plus in the next move up. I don't think this would be long enough, but we'll see. Either way, it would be a diagonal pattern, right? And then that should reach, the third should reach ideally $3.07. Then we can get another pullback in wave 4 and another high in wave 5 to $3.35. That would be a roadmap for the yellow short-term bullish count. As I just highlighted, the price would need to turn around basically in this current price region before breaking below $1.99. Well, if we break below $1.99, it would not invalidate that scenario, but will make it already less likely. A break below the wave 2 low then here at $1.86, $1.85, that would be the formal invalidation point. That would seriously increase probabilities that one more low is unfolding. That would open again the door for potentially a little bit of, well, accumulating. Okay, if anybody is interested in using the support zones here for entering, there would be another opportunity. Some of you might have entered here, might have taken profits already here, some not, whatever. The idea is that this is the support zone that to keep the overall bullish scenario alive, that this area is holding. Or as long as it's holding, we can focus on the bullish thesis. So the only question remains, how deep is the pullback going to be that the market offers? I have added, or I've given you some support levels to watch. And if there is another low, it should take the price to $1.58 next, maybe $1.28. That would be quite deep. Ideally, we don't even get a sustained break below $1.58. So yeah, that's my update about FET. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.